Okay, so today we are going to make an airplane. It is a bird, and I'm going to show a clip how it flies. 3, 2, glide. Okay, we're back. So yeah, so today we're going to show you guys how to fold this airplane. First, you want to fold it this. Then again on the other side. Yeah, sit down real quick. So then we flip it like this. Then we fold it halfway. So it's like this. And then you do the water bomb base fold. Like this. I'm gonna lower the lighting real quick. So we bring this to the top like this, and the same thing on the other side, like that. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna quickly make this even. So do the same on the other side like that. Then we do a rabbit ear fold. I'm gonna fully turn this off so we have a little bit of light. So we're gonna fold this to the center like this. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Like that. And we fold it back out. Like this. Then we do both folds at the same time, like this. Like that. This is the rabbit ear fold. And then you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. If I do this too fast on the video, you can pause it. And then we fold this back like this. Fold it back like that. We keep it flipped over. And we're going to cut. So we're going to fold this up to here like this. That. And we're going to cut off that much of the paper from here. Like this. And then now we're going to focus on the tail. Going to zoom that in. So first we fold it in half like this. you fold it in half, and you keep it folded in half. Do the opposite side of this dot over here, and then fold it about on the margin line right here, rip it about halfway down the paper, or you could just cut it using scissors, and then like this you fold this down to the middle line, like this, and then do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Then we fold it back like this. And then get one of the tail feathers, fold it back like this, like that. This was accidental. Then back to the airplane. You like that, remember? So you fold this like that. Like this. Then we fold it down. Same thing on the other side. Like this. That. Then we attach the tail. Like this, and then the last thing, fold this up. So this is how you make this bird.